How to fix microphone won't work on iPhone after the iOS 17 update. If your microphone isn't working on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can happen after an update. Don't worry though, I've got some easy fixes to get your microphone working again, so let's jump into it. First, check if the microphone permission is enabled for the app that's not working. Just go to settings, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security, and from there go to microphone and make sure that app you're trying to use has permission to access the microphone. If it's turned off, just toggle it on like this. Next, check if do not disturb or silent mode is turned on. Sometimes this can interfere with the microphone's performance. Just swipe down from the top right corner and check whether the do not disturb settings, and also make sure that your mute switch on the side of your phone is turned off. Next, you can start or try restarting your iPhone if you haven't already. Now, let's test your microphone. Just open the voice memo app and you can simply try recording something. Just try recording something. If you can't hear your voice clearly or it's distorted, the issue may be hardware related, but let's continue with more software fixes first. Since you mentioned this happened after the iOS 17 update, make sure you have the latest patch. Sometimes small bugs are fixed with a minor update. Just go back to settings and from here go to general and simply tap on software update, and if there's a new update available, install it quickly. If the problem is still there, you need to try reset all settings. Go back to general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Simply click on reset and simply tap on reset all settings. After resetting, check if the microphone works again. Sometimes dust or debris can clog your iPhone's microphone. Gently clean the microphone area with a soft, dry brush or compressed air to make sure nothing is blocking it. Another test you can try is plugging in wired headphones with a built-in microphone and see if that works. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps fixed the microphone issue on your iPhone.